Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about wall clock decoration designs and ideas. So these wall clocks are so luxury design and you obviously you like this wall clocks designs because these clocks are so unique and everyone like these clocks. So clock decoration is one of the most best decoration and everyone wants to do this decoration in our home because your guest will be very inspired to see these wall clocks. Very great and quality is so unique and it looks like so beautiful. So different designs are here. You can collect the ideas, different ideas. Wall clock decoration, it's very unique and clocks are so unique and so amazing because the reason is if you come your if your guest comes, so when he see these clocks, so very impression is so unique and impression is so good, so everyone like these clocks and the reason that can should be you should to try these wall clocks and design are so beautiful. Everyone wants to buy these wall clocks designs and these wall clock, I think, number one, and you should to try these wall clocks designs and ideas. Clock decoration, it's very important from our home and you will decorate your dining room, you will decorate your TV lounge, you will decorate your bedroom. This decoration, it's very unique and everyone like this wall clock decoration. So if you try these wall clock decoration, so like video because your like it's so important and subscribe our channel. So back to the topic, the wall clock decoration, it's try to be it's you should to try these wall clock decoration design because inspiration design, home decoration ideas and incredible design. Wall clock is one of the most best part in our home and it's very important part. Also, it's very important part and very helpful part. Clock, it's clock much needed for our life and I think without clock we are not surviving. So clock, it's very important and everyone like these clock designs. Stand decoration full length and circle and round both are unique. So like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.